Guys, today we talk about how can you find your invoices on your Wallapop app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on your down here. So when you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on edit profile here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you just go down here. You come here to your invoices, just click on it. Then you come to this list, and here you will find all invoices you have. So I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it. And here can you view or edit invoice and details here in this when you click here. So that's all you have to do now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.